How to move folders on AOL Mail. Let's get started. Launch your AOL Mail. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the inbox page. Unfortunately, right now AOL Mail doesn't offer to move folders, but what you can do is move mails to the folder. First up, you can go ahead and create a folder. For that, click on the option of Inbox. Now scroll down and click on the option of Create New Folder. Now here you can give a name to your folder. Click on Save. Once you have created the folder, now you can close this. Now you can head towards the mail that you want to set in the folder. Now go ahead and press and hold on the mail that you want to move to the folder. Click on Select Message. Now you can select multiple mails. Then click on the option of Move given at the bottom middle. Now select the folder. And just with that, I have moved the mails to the folder. Right now, this way you can easily move mail to the folders. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.